Hi, Gachina. Hi, everyone. Constantiaid. Hope you're all keeping okay. And I'm sorry it's taken me so long to put up a video of a song. Um, I got lots of lovely requests, and I hope to sing a lot of these songs for you. But it's been a busy house with the smallies, as I imagine it has for a lot of you out there as well. So this song got the most requests. It's a very long, boring song, as Seamus would say. Um, Although we love it. But if a depressing song is not for you, maybe you should switch off now. Níl accompanies to gum ach fé mar dear an Helen Hay, morning ga shift. So I have a bit of sticky tape stuck onto my keyboard. So she'll Slán le Máigh, and also don't get that any chiller. Oh, Slán is kept on the shore, Gosh, my na Gone soft, gone short, gone sport, gone spinning. Oh, Slán le Máigh. Na héit da chléir da swag, na macharid chléir, gan chlan, gan chlúin, gan chon, gan chlan, gan chod, gan kishtin, gan salt, gan short, gan sport, gan spenna. Oh, Slán le Máigh. Slán le Máigh, na bhíomh bhuain, na gáil, na géil, a scíomh da snua, na mná go léir, na game, na good, na brosh, na blay, na me, na moi. Gan chyd, gan chod, gan chob, gan chiste, gan salv, gan choed, gan sport, gan span. Oh, sholach me